In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a YouTube video and place it onto your Facebook account so that when you upload it, it plays automatically just like this video does. Turn the sound on. And usually what Facebook does is it allows you to put a YouTube link on here, right? But it doesn't support the feature to play automatically. That only happens when you actually upload a video of your own to Facebook, and that's what happens. But YouTube does allow you to stream from, so this is the YouTube site right here. And here's the video that we're going to be working with. I have a personal blog here that I just set this post up. And here's the same video that you see here, and it looks like it's playing within this website here, so I can just click on it and play it. I could probably set it to, okay, don't judge me, I did this on a slow day. It's called The Exciting Life of a Garbage Can, and it has over 2,500 views. But anyway, this video is playing not from my website here, not from my blog, but it's actually playing from YouTube through to my website here, but it looks like it's on my website. But when you try to do that on Facebook, you usually just end up with a link, and you don't end up with this nice beautiful video that's playing automatically like your other videos do. So we're going to show you how to do this. So it's quite easy actually. So we're going to go to YouTube, and here's the video here. You find the video that you're looking for, you select it or you search for it. I just searched it for it here. And when you go down here, when it says share, right, this is what you're looking for. You're going to take this, and it pops up a box like this, and a dialog box. And here, down here, it shows you the link for where this video is on YouTube. And so we're just going to click here. We're going to copy the link. So now it's copied to the clipboard. Okay, and I don't need that right now. I'm going to go to open up a new tab, and this here, ssyoutube.com, sounds like a sailing ship. If you type ssyoutube.com, it'll take you to another website. I'm just going to hit enter. It'll take you to the savefrom.net, and here it says, I'm going to not let them do this. They like to advertise stuff to you. There's nothing on this page that you need to install or down, that kind of thing. Most of it's just advertising. But here it tells you to insert your video link here. So just insert the link. So I'm just going to right click. I'm going to paste it in there. It'll automatically start doing its thing here. It'll search for that video, and in a little bit it'll come up with a download link for it. Our internet's quite slow out here in the rurals. Here, right here. So see, this one is covered with ads, right? And it says, oh, you can download it here. Looks like this. Sometimes it pops up just underneath here, but if you've been here a few times and they know that you're coming here, they want to sell you stuff, of course, right? But here, down here where it says, but if you're okay with a slower download, right, you do not have to download the app. I've never done that before. I don't know what it's like. So I just download the video in a browser, and there it's right there. This is what you see right here. And this one is actually in a low grade MP4 360. And this is what you want to upload to Facebook, the MP4. This one's low grade. Okay, so I'm just going to download it. And see, it brings up this pop-up page for junk. Right? So I'm just going to get out of this. Here's the video here. So sometimes it'll just let you download, and it'll let you download to a folder. Sometimes it pops up in a screen like this, and I'm glad it did actually, because all you have to do is right click it and go save video as, and it will begin to download it. It'll ask you, where do you want to download it to? So I am going to actually download it to my videos, and I'm going to call it garbage video, because that's what it is, a garbage video. Right, and it's saving it as an MP4. So I'm just saving that there. So there it's saving it down there. It's doing its thing. All right, it's saved. So if I was to go to open up my Internet Explorer, when I check my folder. So I'm going to go to my videos, and there it's right there. There's the video right there. So we're going to take this video and we're going to upload it to Facebook. So I'm just going to close this off right now. And I'm going to go to my Facebook tab. I'm going to close this tab off. And I'm going to go to my own Facebook. I'm actually going to post this. So here's where you go photo video. I'm going to upload this. And I'm going to go to my videos, the garbage video, and hopefully it uploads soon. And usually when it's uploading, usually you have to wait for Facebook to tell you it's uploaded and they're clearing it or they're doing whatever with it. So this is what I usually do. So I'll type in, I can't believe this old video I posted in 2008 actually has, let's see, 2,500 views. Perfect. Okay, now something else I do here, right? I'll usually go down a couple, sometimes you can put a period or something like that just to make it more of a space, or else Facebook actually takes this out, so this little space out. Anyway, so the link that I copied, I always give credit, because when it comes here, when it comes onto the website, right, see how it's got YouTube right there, right? So it's giving YouTube credit for hosting the video basically, and that's where you're getting the video from. So because Facebook doesn't really support embedding, this is called embedding a video into your website, and there's a way to do that. Facebook allows embedding, but it's not the same, and it just really puts a static link, and it doesn't look the same. So what I usually do is I give video credit. That's what I do, right? And it's just a way of, like, you know, being ethical or whatever. So I'm going to go, there's the link right there. So if you put this link in before you upload the video, then it'll just bring up that big static picture. So you want to put that in last. So I've got the post made up. I've got this video made up. Now, if this was a business page, I would get the opportunity to schedule the post, and maybe I'll do that in another video. But I'm just going to share it right now. So this is actually going to go live today right onto my page. But see, now it says it's processing videos, and it'll show. So I'm going to stop the video right now, and once it's showing up on Facebook, then I'll show it to you. So I'm just going to pause the video. So here I am back at my page here, my own personal Facebook page, and if I go down here, here's the video, and it just automatically starts and just turn. Ooh, lovely sound. Don't you just love this video? You should watch it right to the end. It's on my YouTube and it's on my Facebook page now. Anyway, that's how you do it. So let's pause this. And thanks for watching.